Today we'll talk about how can you change your email address on your Groupon app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click here on my stuff down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go down here, then you click here on email preferences, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Come here to email address, click on change email. So then here you add new email address, and here you confirm your password. Click on send link, then it's going to send with you with your email, and automatically you change your email. Your email it's going to change on your Groupon app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.